Guys, so I just had to share, I finally have my office together, and I purchased one of these awesome little quote boards. Actually, I purchased two from Joann's, and I purchased tons of different letters, colors. I got the, like this coral color. I got a black. It also came with either white or gray. It also came with one. So I purchased two of them. My husband stole one. That's fine. But like right now, this one says you cannot make everyone happy. You are not Merlot. Look at these cute little things, and they too are the little. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry. So you can just press them on. So that's what all those pieces are. But I realized whenever I purchased this that I have tons of letters. Like there's 188 just in this, and that's great and everything. But I need a way to organize them. So today I was out and about at Michael's, and I found exactly what was going to work for me. So I want to share with you guys. I found this great little kit. I think it's $12, and there's a huge sale going on as well. Let me get the lid on it. So this is actually, I found this in the jewelry section. So looky there. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually taking it all apart, and I am putting the letters in order. So this way I can just find letters much easier. They're going to be much more organized. Now, I do have, like I said, the Merlot was one of those things as well. What's cool about this kit is that you can actually remove some of these pieces. So I have, for the big letters that I bought, I just show you that, right? Fun little things. But I also purchased one other piece in the jewelry section. And this is just for my little odds and ends. Like little coffee pieces. There's hearts. This cute little van. And they also have the piece on the back, so I can just easily push it into the board. Anyway, so I want to share with you guys today how I'm organizing my letter pieces. And I hope you guys are having a great day. And I can't wait to make some more videos.